Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's special recipe is a lovely brinjal curry. Now, I generally enjoy brinjal dishes, and especially if it's made Andhra style, I enjoy it thoroughly. So today I'm going to show you a very special Andhra dish, which is Vankaya Pakodi Koora. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. First, I'm going to make the pakodas. For this, you would need 1 cup of besan or gram flour, 2 teaspoons of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon ginger garlic paste, green chili 1 chopped, 1 onion chopped. So add a few curry leaves and a few coriander leaves. First, mix all the ingredients together and then pour a little water. So you need to get a nice batter consistency. So I've mixed the mixture for the pakodas. Next I'm going to deep fry this. So once the oil is nice and hot, take a little bit of the mixture and gently start dropping into the oil. Fry the pakodas till they are nice golden brown in color. Cut the brinjal. Cut them into thin slices. I have a bowl of salt water here. I'm going to put these in salt water so that they don't get oxidized and the brinjal pieces will be nice and fresh while cooking. Next step is to make the curry. For this, take a white saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chili finely chopped. Once the onions are transparent, add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. After about 2 minutes, add the 2 tomatoes chopped. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, a teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix everything. So once the tomatoes are nice and mushy, just add the cut brinjal slices. Give it a quick mix. Add a few curry leaves. Reduce the flame to a medium, close and cook for about 8 minutes till the brinjal is nice and tender. So I'm just going to cut the pakodas into smaller pieces. The brinjal is cooked beautifully, it's nice and tender. Now add the chopped pakoda pieces into the kadai. Mix it all together nicely. I'm going to garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. Just sprinkle a little water. This is to keep the pakodas a little moist. Close and cook for another 5 minutes. So there you go, here is this absolutely delicious Vankaya Pakodi Koora. It's a must try, so I'm sure you all will enjoy it. You can have it with rice or just eat it because it's a bit dry. You can even enjoy it as is. So do try and enjoy this lovely dish. You can buy my online Indian cooking classes on 21frames.in/classes.